It's been a minute, guys. What's going on? It's hot as fuck out here right now and hella windy. So forgive me, but we have a repair to address in here. You can see all the residual coolant that's dried on there. And maybe you could see some pieces of glass in there. Last Thursday, I hit a mirror on the freeway. It was upside down. Glass was everywhere already in the fast lane. No real spots to move. So we were renting a car because we went to Cali, take the daughter for her birthday. And we went to go pick up a rent-a-car. Sorry for the wind again, guys. But let me tell you, it feels good being 99 degrees out. It's fucking hot. But anyways, my wife got out the car. She was like, hey, babe, what's that? And it was pissing coolant. It is dirty as hell, too. Let me show you this nice little spot. This coolant spot it collected. So it leaked out. So we'll be in the street today. I don't really have any tarps for the garage. I do have cardboard, which I should have put under here, but yeah. So I already ordered an aux radiator for that lower side. Looking at Keys videos and a couple other videos. So we're gonna replace that once the part gets in later today. I'm gonna already jack up the car, take the tire off, get the splash guard out, and fix it. It kind of sucks, like design flaw that rocks beat the hell out of the radiators. Like that doesn't look good either. I don't know if y'all could see that. And same with the other side. But I know on the Subi that I had in the prior channel, I went to like Lowe's and bought some like chicken wire stuff basically, and double-sided taped, and I think I like hot glued it or something, but I double-sided tape to the back of the bumper for aesthetics. But low-key, I might have to do the same shit for this, except it's not really for aesthetics, because aesthetically, these look fine, but it'll keep the rocks from getting... Sorry, I keep forgetting my mic is here. But it'll keep the rocks from getting into the radiators. But I don't know. I think, because, I mean, that was, what, $200 for the small radiator? And, like, the newer radiators have the rock guard already on it, so yeah, I think that's the plan. We're gonna get it jacked up and get it going. Yeah, we'll talk in a second. All right, so the next couple clips, my audio didn't come out, so probably forgot to turn the mic on, so y'all get me overdubbed. Right here I'm explaining I tried to take the wheel off, but I ended up rounding some of the nuts off, or the bolts in this case. This is a Canadian car, don't forget. So them things are probably like seized on there. I tried my best with my breaker bar and all the tools I had. Couldn't get it, so I opted for the lazy ass way and basically, you know, clocked the wheel all the way to the left and then got in there with my tools to take out the splash guard. I'm showing you guys the little leak right here. It's a slow leak, but it's definitely, you know, leaking. So yeah, it was balls hot this day. And then this is the first day I worked on it. We'll get on why it took 2 days. There's all the tools I'm explaining basically. I think it was like 8 millimeters. You have to take out the splash guards. The shield, they weren't too hard to reach even with the tire still on. So I'm just kind of showing you. The tricky ones are the ones kind of up top, but again, nothing too bad. 8 millimeters, pretty simple. Let me see. What clip is this? Let me see. Oh, radiator's out. I pulled it out. Pretty simple. C-clips. Take my little Phillips flathead, pop up the clips, pull out the hose. Not too bad. I'm going to show you guys. Basically, I had a pinhole size in the radiator. And so like I said before in the video, I think I ran over an upside down mirror and it was too late to go left or right. I was in the fast lane and there was cars around, so I couldn't like miss it, I guess. And I chalked it up to, hey, I'm just gonna have scratches on my bumper. It is what it is. And it wasn't until we stopped where it was pissing cooling out. Basically, my wife caught it. I think this is the culprit right here. It's really pretty solid. I wish I had the mic to pick it up. It's like a solid piece of, I don't know, like ceramic, I want to say. And so I'm pretty sure that was found below the radiator in like the under tray. I'm pretty sure that's the piece that got me right there. So anyways, I'm explaining that I'm still waiting for the part. I pulled it out just so when the part came, I could just pop it in real easy. Now, fast forward a couple hours later, the part shows up and I'm like, yes, perfect, easy in. Not so much. And I'm kind of just showing you guys, hey, I'm gonna replace it right now, and then here in a second my audio's back, so I don't have to, you know, dub for y'all get the initial reactions. But yeah, here we go. Looks like I'm not gonna be able to do the job today. Old radiator, new radiator, size difference. Yep. Also, the tabs on this are like right next to each other, which is how I found out it was bad, because I was trying to shove it in there, versus these tabs are like further away from each other. And you can see how the tank's ribbed versus smooth. So literally there's a big size difference too. So this video will have to resume at another date when I can order the exact same of this, and this is going back to FCP Euro because I made a oopsie. So yeah. Alright, shout out ECS, they got me hooked up. We have to return the FCP Euro I showed you guys in the last clip. This is 2 days later, so we're on Friday now. Re-rolled the car back outside. It's 101 degrees outside, but we got to get this done because I need the car. This time it's the right number. I double checked. Based on the fins, like these ribs right here, and the clips being wider apart, that's definitely like OEM versus the one that I got off of FCP Euro. There is a small little, there's a couple little nicks, but I mean, since it's going under, it's gonna get nicked up. There's a little dent right there, it looks a little off center, but ECS tuning with the lifetime replacement, just like FCP Euro. So if this does fail, then, you know, I'll just get that handled. But anyways, I don't know that I'm gonna fail myself putting it in, because like I said, it's 101 degrees out right now in Vegas. I'm just trying to do this and be done, to be honest with you, because I got a family in town, so they're using an SUV. My wife's got her real estate stuff she's doing, so I need the car. So let's see, 101 excessive heat warning. Look at that. Can't catch a break in Vegas. It's just gonna be hot regardless. Anyways, I'll see y'all when I'm done. Peace. I think we're good to go, guys. New radiators in. Hopefully you can see it. I don't see any leaks, so I think we're good. I'm just doing the bleeding process right now. Yeah. It's hot as balls out here, guys. Hate it, bro. I need to clear up the garage so I can work in the garage, because this is not it at all. Side note, thanks for watching the video. Again, I know I haven't posted in like a year. It's what it is. You know, I got 2 young ones. I'm trying to make a career change, and I take care of my sick sister who's bedridden. So between all that, I would love to shoot more car videos, but I'm gonna be honest, it is what it is. I got priorities. But I appreciate the love and some of the comments that y'all give under my videos. So I will try my hardest to at least put out a couple things a month. But just hang tight, you know, life is lifing. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next one.